Filipinos' religious and indigenous practices featuring the five tribes from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The Igorot tribes from the northern Philippines. The Igorots, which comprises numerous tribes in the northern part of the country, are mostly residing in the mountain ranges of the Cordillera region. They are popularly known for being rice cultivators. An assortment of the group called the Ifagaos built the Banawi rice terraces, frequently called the eighth wonder of the world. The ancestors of this indigenous tribe carved a system of irrigated rice terraces in mountains of Ifugao more than 2,000 years ago. The Ilonggots are known for their intense aggressiveness and cultural conservatism. The Lumad tribes from the southern Philippines. Meanwhile, in the southern part of the country, indigenous tribes are mostly found in Mindanao and western Visayas. In Mindanao, these existing non-Muslim indigenous groups are collectively known as the Lumad, a Cebuano term which means native or indigenous. Their tribe is generally known for tribal music produced by musical instruments they've created. The Badjaos, originally from the islands of Sulu in Mindanao, they are known as the sea tribes living on houseboats. They try to make ends meet by depending on the sea as divers, fishermen, and navigators. Because of the conflicts in the region, the majority of them has migrated to neighboring countries such as Malaysia and Indonesia, whereas those who stayed in the Philippines moved to some areas in Luzon. The Ati and Tumandok. One of the few clans in Visayas, the Ati and Tumandok tribes of Panay Island are the first to call the island their home. Genetically related to other indigenous groups in the country, they mostly resemble the Aitas or Negritos, who are characterized by their dark skin. While some adopted Western religions, they still carry some animistic beliefs and rituals passed down by their ancestors. The Mangyan tribes. The Mangyans of Mindoro are well-known clans in the Philippines because they have the biggest populace, comprising 8 different Mangyan groups. They have a peaceful reputation, unlike the head-hunting tribes of the north and warrior tribes from the south. While some has already converted into Christianity, there's still a large percentage of those who practice animistic religious beliefs. Philippines is not only known for having an abundance and breathtaking beautiful beaches, sceneries, and mouth-watering delicacies, but also we are known for having a rich and diverse culture, religions, and indigenous practices that we preserve and practice until today. Every religion that we have is a treasure and a gift, including our indigenous practices that we preserve for the next generation, for all of these are the real essence of being a Filipino people. This is the evidence that we are truly a Filipino, waving our flag together with the spirit of bravery, boldness, and respect, that no matter how diverse our country is, still we are one nation and one people. Unity in the midst of diversity is what we pursue and do towards a more peaceful and progressive nation.